Hey, g'day people, it's Matt here from Matt Carves. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, and you might have guessed what it is, but a little while ago I entered the Kutzall creatures competition and I actually won, which I'm extremely proud of. So I thought I'd show you quickly the inside of the skull, which I didn't on the video. So I carved that all out because it really makes the skull look a little bit more skull-like, being all sort of like skinny and all of that, and I made that really cool eye. I put on a few more coats of varnish on there, so it's nice and glossy. Anyway, so let's get on with this unboxing. Ooh. Okay, so there's a nice little thank you note there, and some examples of other carvers. Okay, so I've never used these burrs, so I ordered a couple of those, the extreme and the fine one, and one of my favourite burrs, the sphere burr. I'm going to use that for something. It's always good to have spears of spheres, and that 1/4 inch burr. So I'm going to do some bigger carvings because I've managed to actually get some bigger wood pieces. Some cedar, some oak. So I do actually have some bigger logs there. See, look, I'm teaching Minnie how to ride the bike. So I can go for a little trip with Minnie. Good dog, Minnie. She actually quite likes it, I think. So I've got a lot of cedar there. Actually, I found that piece on the beach. That's Jara. Hey Minnie, that's cedar. What do you think? Good dog. She's pretty impressed with the wood. Yeah, so I've actually got more of those 1/4 inch burrs. So I've got a 4-piece kit. It's actually quite heavy actually. So, and I've got that sphere burr there. And I've got this 5-piece rotary burr kit. It's sort of like a variety pack. And I'm going to carve something out of that, and I'll just use that pack. So all your favourite burrs there, the flame, taper, etc, etc. So here's a little man that I've been working on this week. I've been pretty busy in the workshop. I do a lot of other kind of stuff apart from just wood carving, and this will be being turned into a bronze. I made it out of monster clay, it's called, which is just really a reusable oil-based clay. And a big shout out to Kutzall for the competition that they ran, and also all the other entrants. They were all really, really cool, and it was a fun little project. So we'll see you next time. I'm going to hopefully do a video this weekend.